Sick wine. Hi Nausat. Nausat is saying hi, Baji. Baji mother. Yes, Groovetooth says, I'm liking the newer lives, being able to see you talk. It's a bit more engaging as much as I love the cats. Hello, by the way. Hi, Groovetooth. How are you? Yeah, no, I get it. I think I try to do a mix of both the cats and me. So I'll try to do a lot of these on camera lives talking about these topics. I think that does help. And sometimes when I don't feel like it, then I'm not on camera and I still do the live anyway. So it depends. But yeah, thank you so much for being here. Thank you, everybody. I had to start a little late today because I had to go deal with the snow and ice and car situation. But in Boston here, we're getting some snow and extremely cold, sub-zero type of weather. So hopefully you're staying warm. And if it's your summertime because you're in Australia, New Zealand, or Antarctica, then happy summer Christmas to you. Antarctica's summer is still pretty cold, but there is daylight 24/7. So when I was in Antarctica, so part of this thesis is also, of course, this work is in Antarctica. So is there any good skiing up there? In Boston, you mean? Or Antarctica? Boston does have skiing in the west. I've heard that there is skiing towards the west side of Massachusetts or maybe New Hampshire. Like Boston is really not far. It's like 30 minutes to New Hampshire. So there's a lot of big mountains. Like suddenly, you know, if you start driving from Boston and you go up, suddenly within like 30 minutes, oh my gosh, Suji was coming and running at a very high velocity here. I just wanted to make sure she doesn't spill over my hot chocolate. But yes, I have heard that there is good skiing. Not that I know because I don't really ski myself. But I've heard people say that there's good for beginners kind of skiing in Western Massachusetts. And of course there's always, I actually don't know if people go, I think people go to Vermont for skiing in New England. Is that a thing? I feel like I've heard people go to Vermont for skiing. Again, I don't really know because I don't do it myself much. Oh God, you should try it, so fun. Okay. I will at some point when someone makes me. If someone makes me and is willing to pay for a skiing lesson, then I will. But I don't know if I will on my own. I don't know if I'm that motivated. One time at a wedding, I had the full opportunity to go for a ski lesson, but it was in Colorado. It was in Aspen. It's like the ski capital, right? But I was too cold and there was so much good wine and food and warm drinks inside. Wedding in the slow. Yes, I attended a wedding in the middle of the mountains in Colorado during the winter, and people were skiing and everything. I like going to Aspen to ski and jumping in the hot tub after with some fine wine. Look at you, living the fine life. Let me refill my hot. I'll be right back. I need to make my hot chocolate a little bit warmer than it currently is. Hot tubs in the snow is amazing. Yeah. Suji's having zoomies. It's so cold. It's like my tea, hot chocolate, everything's just getting cold. You have to look at Suji.